Here we're gonna show you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So what you gotta do, click on your menu at the bottom right. Okay, click on the settings at the top right here next to the search or mirror glass icon, and then you're gonna see account center or meta, and here you're gonna see multiple options. Just scroll a little bit down into the accounts right here. You're gonna see it, the last option. Move along. As you can see right here, you can remove or add any accounts from Facebook or Instagram, right? So if I wanted to remove this account, I'm gonna just go ahead and remove this account. Basically, that's it, right? And if you want to remove more than one account, you're gonna be able to remove more than one account. So let's read on the comments in this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.